Welcome back to our YouTube channel with a new video on Ubiquiti Unified Dream Machine, which is a multi-function networking device. Let's proceed with the unboxing. So here is the Unified Dream Machine, non-pro version of UDM. So basically it doesn't do anything new. If you can look up to Ubiquiti's other products, like USG UniFi Security Gateway, Access Point, Cloud Key, or any Gigabit switch. This thing not doing anything different from those. So why is this product so dreaming? Thumbs up to the folks of Ubiquiti. Somehow figured out how to take an AP or USG or UniFi Cloud Key. They all shoved it on to one multi-function device. You all can see Unified Dream Machine has 5 ports. One is for WAN, which is wireless area network, and 4 ports local area network. So let me conclude this video by making you all clear about UDM, that in short UDM is equivalent to an access point, UniFi Security Gateway, and UniFi Cloud Key in the last 4-port Gigabit switch. So that's it from the unboxing video. I hope you all like this video. Thanks for watching.